Hello, it's your boy, XoVa Weeb, back at again. Okay, I'm here with my boy, Ronyo, 70 Tonyo.
This is me, Ronyo, 70 Ronyo.
Yeah. We're playing some Fishing Planet. If you want to see more free games from Steam, it's quite affordable. And I'll do it. Because why not? You know?
Exactly. I started
it's
recording.
affordable.
This is gonna be Epic Gamer.
It's gonna be epic.
Wait, I actually caught something? I just wanted to... I caught something on accident.
Nice. I'm proud.
Great game.
I'm very proud.
Or like, I'm gonna eat this in here.
This is good game.
This is best game. Instead of fishing with your friends or relatives, you could just be an introvert and play this game.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's honestly the best
Okay,
part.
that was good. I didn't catch anything. But it's a fun, relax game.
Yes. Why am I playing this?
We're all asking ourselves that, Ronyo. Okay.
Oh, strike.
Strike? Alright, I'm not doing the best
Got
right now.
him. I got a bluegill.
The bluegill. Let's get some
Don't
claps
take
for Ryan.
This fish to avoid $100 fine.
Strike. Yeah.
Should I try my luck?
I can keep. Don't try your luck. Trying luck is hard.
I'm gonna release this really incredible good fish because I'm cool.
Yeah. That's smart. I agree. What a respect.
Because it's illegal for me to have it.
Yeah. And we don't condone illegal things on this channel, on these channels. Don't take this fish or avoid. Okay. Yeah, I don't want a $100 fine. Wait a minute. Oh, I got a chubby. Oh my god, I upgraded.
Epic.
Boys, upgraded. I got cheese, I got old denim. What is this? New level 3! I got way too much stuff.
Well, what's this? Okay.
Go to inventory.
I'll just reel this in, it's not working. Alright. That's what you push, what do you push to, like, change your bait again?
You go to the inventory, and then you do, like, you press escape, and then right next to map, on the top, it should be inventory.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Yes. Yeah, yeet.
I'm gonna use some bread as my bait.
You can have a home in this game? That's so cool.
Wait, can't we go on a boat in this game?
Wait, can you? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know.
Advertisements I saw.
That would be cool. Bro, we could have like a mini series in my free game series.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
That'd be
I
sick.
found the best fish ever. It's weed.
You found a weed? Dude, call 420.
저거 공부도 했어.
Yeah, so Ronyo speaks Korean too. He is a man of many talents. Look at that, $15.
Yes.
Yeah, I just told them how you're a man of many talents.
Yes, I heard.
Welcome.
I'm not catching that many fish with bread. I should get out the redworms instead.
The redworms catch big fish. So if you want big moolah and big fines, get big fish, you know? Like, if you find a $115 fish, and it says, you'll get a $100 fine if you keep this, just get the fish, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. It's telling me to wait. That means there's bait nearby. Strike!
Oh, wait.
Got him! I got a bluegill.
Nice. I got a backtail shiner.
Epic, that seems like a expensive one.
Yeah, it cost $11. Hey, Turbo, you want to eat some fishies? Turbo's my cat, by the way.
Turbo is best cat.
Yes, he is. If you can hear him purring, that's because he is.
Aww. It says wait, that means fish is nearby.
Strike. I caught a fish while Turbo was laying on me.
That's very good.
I think Turbo gave me his powers.
Yeah, Turbo lended you his headset too.
Yeah, I'm actually wearing his headset right now.
Yeah. I hope you lended it and not just...
Yeah, no, I didn't steal it. I would never steal my cat's headset.
Yeah.
If the mic quality sounds weird, you know why.
It does not.
My cat just demolished the microphone. I don't know why, but my cat is addicted to eating our mics. I would get a blue Yeti, but I feel like my cat's just gonna like tackle it or something. You know?
Mhm. I got a tiny fish. It's a golden shiner.
Ooh, a golden shiner?
Yeah, it's
how much is it?
$24.
$24? That's a lot of dollar.
Yeah. Oh, new level 3.
Nice, dude. You get so much for level 3.
Oh my gosh. I got cheese.
Yeah. I don't know what that is.
Close inventory. Let's check.
Here, I'm gonna try and.
This is honestly the best game ever.
I know, right, dude?
Yeah, I'm so glad that you told me about this game. I thought it was gonna be just like a boring game, but that's actually pretty addicting.
Exactly.
Yeah,
It's something you would not expect.
If this is on my, like, if they have a mobile version of this, it's gonna be very epic.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause like, you know, like those deer hunting games?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got hooked to those, like, last year, and
Yeah. How do you sell things? Do you know?
sell things? I don't know.
Yeah. And how do you put on stuff? Because I'm not gonna lie to you. Currently, I don't think I'm wearing anything. But it said I had a denim. Which is very, very odd. Alright. I'm gonna use some red worms.
Same.
Rania, do you use the Microsoft Store?
For what?
Like, do you use the Microsoft Store at all?
Sometimes.
Sea of Thieves is free. You know Sea of Thieves, right? Yeah, I spent $60 on it, but it's free now. Yay! But, I mean, as much as I hate that, we can play it together. It's actually a really fun game. Oh my god, Trophy White Crappie.
Oh wait.
$47!
Oh my god, that's actually epic.
That's a lot of moolah! Alright, so...
I got a...
You get bigger fish, and that's bigger moolah. Another golden shiner? Nice, nice.
Alright, let's see. Sea of
Yeah, but do you like just like chill games?
Yeah.
Where like you like and like pirates?
Yeah, what do you mean? It's $59.
Actually?
Yeah.
Wait, on the Xbox Microsoft. What? That's so stupid.
Oh, it's included with Xbox Game Pass.
Oh,
I don't have
freaking
that.
dang. Fart nuggets. Never mind. I thought it was free. Well, it was worth a shot.
But yeah. Oh, it says wait already. Wow.
Oh, let's try
I
it.
might have stolen your fish.
Nah, I stole your fish. A white crappie, $15.
Strike. I got a white crappie.
Nice.
$14.
Let's go white crappie. Wait.
This is an extremely chill game.
Exactly.
It says wait. I could play this with one
Strike.
hand if I wanted to.
Dude, I am playing this with one hand.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna lie.
Too.
This is a chill game.
White crappie again. $19.
It's gonna be the game I play while my story times are going on.
You know those YouTubers that like have CS:GO surf gameplay while they're talking about stuff like Leafy?
Like me?
Yeah, like your autism video.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's just gonna be this game
Yeah.
while you're just doing it for story time.
Yeah. It's your boy.
I got a tiny one. Blacktail Shiner.
Ooh.
Wow, that's kind of expensive. It's $27.
Oh, that's actually kind of a few dollar.
Yeah.
Oh, $21 for a white crappie? I'm down. I mean, it's a crappie fish for a lot of money.
But it's a crappie fish.
It's not crappie. It's
that's right.
a crappie. Ooh, wait.
Wait. Blacktail Shiner, alright, I got $20. Actually, it's 19.
I want another trophy crappie. Those go for a lot. Oh. I just hate when it says
makes
wait
me
and then
want
just
to make it real
stops.
life.
I know, right?
Wait.
I feel like this is gonna end up being like an hour-long video. I don't even care. You know what's good about this game?
What?
I'm not lagging. That's what's good.
Honestly, exactly.
Alright. Ooh, strike.
Right.
Green sunfish?
Look, Ice Cream, your fishing pole, your line is just like flying in.
Yeah, so is mine. My line is having an insane time, dude.
Honestly, exactly. Okay.
Wait. Oh my god, wait already? Dude.
Yeah, whatever I just... Oh, right. Let's see what I got. I got a green sunfish with $8. That's bad.
Yeah.
Wait,
How do you sell fish?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering. I'm gonna go, get some bread.
How do you get bread? Oh yeah, from the shop, probably. Well, that would make sense. Here, maybe you sell... Let's get some bread.
Shop. Yeah,
Let's get this bread.
I meant like trading it, but let's see, how much is bread? Bread is $15.
So if we...
Red worms is 60.
Tools
You can buy a kayak.
You can?
Yeah.
How much did that...
I don't know, I can't buy it. Oh wait.
It doesn't say there's anything. Maybe it's like gonna be released soon.
No, I think it's like you have to become a certain level.
Probably. I want to learn how to sell things. If I can learn how to sell things, I'll be rich. Cause like, the stuff I have, the fishies I have, I got some good fishies. I got a $47 fishy.
Oh, dang.
Like, how do I sell? You know?
I just bought 2 packs of red worms.
White crappie. Mega Explorer.
Actually, no. I'm gonna go to red worms again. Red worms is just easier.
Yeah. You know, here. If I look on the map, maybe there's a shop I can go to, right?
Oh yeah. Wait. It's almost time for the strike. It's the thing's twitching.
There's none here, and I don't want to leave the server, so I don't know.
Come on. I just remembered you have like 5 different names.
I know, right?
It's XoVa Rootars, XoVa Weeb, XoVa Exile, Facehole.
76, and then I got a MP9 best kind game.
Oh yeah. Wait a second. Maybe I could go over here and this is the shop.
What do you mean?
Nope.
What are you saying?
I'm just running around.
Oh yeah, no, that's the home sweet home spawn place. If I can find out, you know what? I'm gonna stop this video here before it gets way too boring. And let me know in the comments, YOLO meme, if you want to see more. This is a fun game. I'm not gonna lie, it's chill. It's fun for me to play. It's affordable. And
this is when I get a fish.
yes. See ya later.
Oh wait.